This is 3D Experience World 2026 in Houston, Texas, the biggest SolidWorks event of the year. A few days filled with hands-on exhibits, new tools and workflows to explore, and thousands of SolidWorks users in one place, learning from each other, connecting with experts, and sharing ideas you don't get anywhere else. This year, the SolidProfessor booth was a must-stop, especially for anyone thinking about Model Mania. We built an exclusive Model Mania prep station where attendees could practice real challenges from past competitions before the pressure was on. No demos, no sales pitch, just real problems, real time limits, and SolidProfessor experts right there to help guide the process. Some people were brand new to Model Mania, others were getting one last rep in. Either way, it was about showing up more prepared. Between runs, attendees learned more about SolidProfessor, got help activating their accounts, and grabbed one of our highly anticipated shirts. They didn't last long. And it wasn't just attendees getting involved. Our own Jacob Ames stepped into Model Mania himself, because we believe in practicing what we teach. Jacob also took the stage at 3D Experience World, hosting the SolidWorks Jeopardy style session that tested everything from icon recognition to SolidWorks history. The room was packed, fully engaged, and maybe a little competitive. With prizes on the line, including a 3D Connection Space Mouse, a wireless mic kit, and a 4K webcam, people came ready. SolidProfessor was proud to sponsor Model Mania this year, and congratulations to Adon from the user group with an incredible time of 8 minutes and 32 seconds. That's an impressive run. From learning and networking to practice and competition, this is what 3D Experience World is all about. SolidProfessor, from the classroom to the shop floor to the boardroom, we help engineers show up ready when it matters most.